Since Elaine publicly fought for Amber even outside of court, there were many questions about why she stopped. So why did she suddenly stop supporting Amber? Elaine Bredehoft stopped representing Amber in the case against Johnny Depp and handed the reins to David L. Axelrod and J. Ward Brow, who will lead the appeal. Did Elaine intentionally leave Amber behind for any other reason?
Yeah, it was around 5 o'clock. Everyone had pretty much left. 3 of us were standing outside the bathroom when we saw her basically go into the bathroom very quickly crying.
Elaine was the one who submitted an appeal notice for the case, but just as things were about to move forward, she resigned and told Vanity Fair in a statement, "This is the perfect time to pass the baton. I have pledged to Amber and her appellate team my complete cooperation and assistance as they move forward on a path towards success." Okay, take note of how Elaine said she promised to be committed to going ahead. Many thought it was deliberate and that Elaine didn't go on good terms because she used the word pledge. In fact, a few followers brought it up in a tweet by saying, "Elaine Bredehoft, I have pledged to Amber and her team my complete cooperation. Elaine uses pledge, and thank God I'm done with that crazy bleepity bleep synonymously." People also used social media to express their opinions after Elaine pledged her support. One Twitter user stated, "I hope Elaine is retiring. She ruined her professional image, reputation with her abysmal court shenanigans. I imagine her firm is suffering." Because Ben Rottenborn, who worked with Elaine, is still investigating, other people also noted that there was undoubtedly a problem. Ben staying on the case was mentioned in one of the comments. The truth is, if Ben Rottenborn had handled Heard's case from the get-go and just as he wanted to on matters of law, with no Elaine involvement, then the outcome would have been very different. The fact that Heard was allowed to lie endlessly on the stand by Elaine killed it. Elaine ceased supporting Amber for several reasons, including the fact that she apparently realized it was a lost cause before the verdict. In addition to the fact that she allowed Amber to lie nonstop on the stand. When Amber was questioned by her own attorney Elaine during the trial, Johnny Depp's lawyer Camille Vasquez repeatedly objected to Amber's testimony as hearsay and devoid of proof in a video that quickly gained popularity online. Elaine's attempt was also depicted in a viral video. Social media users at the moment stated that Elaine's face completely exhibited a look of loss. Additionally, there was a claim made by spectators at the court that there were constant arguments in Amber's camp and that Elaine even said something along the lines of, "If you are not satisfied with how I am representing you, you can represent yourself," at one point. Elaine's concern that she might not get compensated was brought up as another reason why she stopped helping Amber. Insurance companies had already agreed to pay Amber's legal expenses, and from July 18, 2018 to July 18, 2019, the New York Marine insured Amber. The insurance company agreed to provide Amber with defense counsel for Johnny's defamation claim at no cost, but they also reserved the right to refuse payment of the $1 million policy benefits if the facts revealed that Amber's op-ed about Johnny was a deliberate attempt to harm him. Amber was covered by a $1 million insurance policy for that time, had a homeowner's insurance plan at the time through Travelers Insurance. Travelers Insurance, on the other hand, filed a lawsuit against New York Marine for what they referred to as the failure of New York Marine to meet its obligation to provide Amber with the independent counsel and another counsel necessary to defend her. Travelers contend that as a result of the claimed failure, it was unfairly required of Travelers to pay for its share of the defense. A New York Marine was asked by Travelers Insurance to additionally pay for half of Elaine and her team's expenses, but the New York Marine declined. Some people claimed that Elaine decided it would be best to just quit because there were already payment concerns. As always, we will keep you informed as we continue to wait to see how the new team will address the appeal. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and, of course, leave us all your comments below. See you in the next video!